So here question number 1 from second slot of CAT 2025. Question number 1. If A, B, C and D are integers such that their sum is 46, then the minimum possible value of A minus B whole square plus A minus C whole square plus A minus D whole square is. Okay. So here A, B, C, D are integers and A minus B whole square, A minus C whole square, A minus D whole square. Here we have to find the minimum possible value of this expression. So point is to be noted here, A minus B square, this is going to be greater than or equal to 0, right? Similarly, all these whole square, this will also be greater than equal to 0. This is also greater than equal to 0. And the summation of this is required, which must be minimum. So it is very easy to decide. Means if we are looking for a minimum sum, so nearest possible to 0 sum can be our answers. It means हमारी स्ट्रैटेजी इस तरीके से होनी चाहिए कि a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर जो इसकी वैल्यू है वो नियर टू 0 हो, राइट, या फिर 0 ही हो. Then only we can have the minimum value of this expression. Now here it is given A, B, C, D are integers such that their sum is 46. Means A plus B plus C plus D is 46. It is A minus B, it is A minus C, it is A minus D. Okay. So if A and B are equal to each other, then here 1, 0 we can have. Okay. Similarly, if A and C be equal to each other, then we can have a 0, and A and D be equal to each other, then we can have a 0. But look here, it is given A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 46. So if we try to divide 46 amongst these four variables, then 46 is not divisible by 4. Okay, so in this scenario, if I do one thing, A is 11, B is 11, C is also 11, and D is also 11. So 11 for the 44 is still we have a 2 left to make the sum 46. So A minus B, if I take 11 plus 1 and 11 plus 1, so it is 12, 12, 11, 11. And now in this case, we can have A minus B square, 0 means 12 minus 12, 0. And here this 12 minus 11 whole square and 12 minus 11 whole square. So it is a 0 plus 1 plus 1. It is 2. So minimum possible value of this expression is going to be 2. This is our answer. So very simple question. So now the question number 2. Let A, B, C, D, E, F be a regular hexagon and P and Q be the midpoints of A, B and C, D respectively. Then the ratio of the areas of trapezium P, B, C, Q and hexagon A, B, C, D, F is. Okay, so here first we draw the figure. This is like A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon and P is the midpoint of side AB and Q is the midpoint of C. So here this is a trapezium PBCQ. So area of trapezium PBCQ to the area of the hexagon ABCDEF. This is to be found out. Okay, so as we know, in a regular hexagon, all these sides are equal to each other. And inside a regular hexagon, there are 6 equilateral triangles, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 equilateral triangles. Okay. Here in this question, the midpoint of these two sides of regular hexagons are connecting to each other. So this line PQ will be parallel to line A, this AD, and this is the line PQ. So PQ will be parallel to AD and parallel to BC. This PQ, BC, and AD, these are three parallel lines inside the regular hexagon. Okay. So actually, region is, as we know, in any triangle, if we draw a parallel line to the base, then this parallel line divide this line and this line in a same ratio. This is a basic concept. Okay. Or you can say if this line is, miss if uh, like, okay, like this. Okay. If line is dividing this line and this line in a same proportion, then this will be parallel to this. Okay. So here it is, this line PQ is actually dividing this point PQ. Like this is X, it is X, this is X, it is X. So 1:1, 1:1. It means PQ is parallel to AD and AD is parallel to BC. So all these three lines are parallel to each other. First, I'm telling you the general approach. Then another quicker approach I will also share. So here it is. These three lines are parallel to each other. Now do one thing. You extend this line AB. Okay, and extend this line DC. These two extended lines will meet at a point. Suppose the point is M. And now see, here we have a three triangle. Triangle AMD. Triangle AMD. Triangle PMQ. Triangle PMQ. And triangle BMC. Triangle BMC. So we know here these three bases are parallel to each other. It means these three triangles are similar to each other. And if these three triangles are similar to each other, it means uh, if I take this triangle P and Q and triangle BMC. So since these three triangles are similar to each other, so between these two triangles, the area, the ratio of the area of BMC. So BMC, area of triangle BMC to the area of triangle PMQ will equal to the square of their corresponding sides. Okay. So look at it is 2x. This will also be 2x. It is a 2x, 2x. This is 2x. This is 2x. So means it is 4x. Okay. It is 60. It is 60. So this is going to be 60. It means AM and DM will also equal to 4x, 4x. It is a equilateral triangle. So this biggest triangle AMD will also be an equilateral triangle with a 4x sides. It is a 4x and this 2x. So this BM is equal to 2x. So corresponding sides of triangle BMC, if I take this BM, BM is what? 2x. And PMQ, PMQ, this is 2x and this is x. So x plus 2x means 3x. So it is 4 by 9. So now it is easy to say that the area of triangle BMC is a 4K if the area of this is 4K and area of triangle PMQ. PMQ is given 9K because ratio is 4 is to 9. It is a 4K. This is a 9K. Okay. It means trapezium area will equal to 5K. So 4K plus 5K is a 9K, right? So now you have an area of this trapezium. So this is 5K. And look here, this is equal to 4K. Area of this is 4K. And this triangle is equal to this because it is 2x, this is 2x, this is also 2x, 2x. So area of triangle BMC is 4K, which is equal to the equilateral triangles of the each six equilateral triangle of this hexagon. So it means area of trapezium is 5K and area of polygon is 6 into 4K. So this and this cancel is 524. This is our answer. And the quicker approach of this question is, look here, here the PQ, P is a midpoint of AB, Q is a midpoint of C. Look here, if I take this and this, if these are diagonals of a hexagon and it makes six equilateral triangles. This line PQ will also bisect OC and OB. It means your midpoints. So we know in a equilateral triangle, if we connect the midpoints, then these four equilateral triangles divide this biggest equilateral triangle into four equal areas, AAA. So suppose it is AAA 4A. Okay. So if it is A, then this will also be A, also A. Okay. And OBC, it is the equilateral triangle area at the midpoints. So this is, if it is a midpoint, you connect. Then this is A, this is A, this is A. Means trapezium area will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And area of this hexagon, see, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. The area of this equilateral triangle is a 4x. There are six equilateral triangles. So the area of regular hexagon will be 6 into 4a. This cancel means 5 is to 24. It is a quicker approach. So let's see. Next question. Let an be the nth terms of a decreasing infinite geometric progression. If a1 plus a2 plus a3 is equal to 52 and a1 a2 plus a2 a3 plus a3 a1 is equal to 64, then the sum of the geometric progression is. It is a GP. So let us take the first term of GP is A and the common ratio is R. Common ratio is R. So it means A1 will be A and A2 is AR and A3 is AR square. So now A1 plus A2 plus A3 52 means A plus AR plus AR square 52. Okay. And here A1, A2 means AR, A2, A3, AR square, AR square, and A is equal to 64. This is equation number 2. From equation 1, you can take common A1 plus R square, 52. So, and here you can take common A square R, 1 plus A square R, so it is R square. A square R, so it is R is 64. And now look here. From here we can write 1 plus R square is equal to 52 by A. So it is, if I write here A square R, and this is 52 by A is equal to 64. This is cancel, and 12 to the 24, 12, 5, so okay. This is equal to 12. So AR is equal to 12. So AR is equal to 12. We can write A as 12 upon R. A is equal to 12 on R. Put this value here. So 12 upon R is equal to 1 plus R square is equal to 52. So 4 3s are, and it is 13. So finally it is 3 plus 3R plus 3R square, 13R, 3R square minus 10R plus 3 is equal to 0. 3 3 is 9 means 3R square minus 9R minus R plus 3. So here 3R minus 3 plus, it is minus, this is minus 1, R minus 3 equal to 0. So this is going to be R minus 3, 3R minus 3 and 3R minus 1 equal to 0. So R is equal to 3 and R is equal to 1 by 3. It is given that let n be the nth terms of the decreasing infinite geometric progression. So it is a decreasing geometric progression. So if you take R is equal to 3, then it will be increasing. So it means R is equal to 1 by 3. So R is 1 by 3. And when R is 1 by 3, then A will be 12 upon R. R is 1 by 3 means A is equal to 36. So now we have 8, we have an R. And here the formula for infinite series, we know A upon 1 minus R. So this is going to be 36. 1 minus 1 by 3 means 36 into 3 by 2, 18. 18 3s are 52. This is our answer. So it's a simple question based on formula. Next question. If log of x square to base 64 plus log of root y to base 8, 3 into log of root y to z to base 512 is equal to 4, where x, y, z are a positive real number, then minimum possible value of x plus y plus z. Okay. So minimum possible value of x plus y plus z. So, if there are three number x, y, z, which is actually a positive real number. So arithmetic mean of x, y, z will be greater than or equal to the geometric mean of x, y, z. This concept will help you to find the minimum value of x plus y plus z. Okay. Here log of x square base 64 is 8, 512. So the base 64, base 8, base 512, it can be converted into the base of it 2. Okay. So if take log of x square base 64, 64 can be written as 2 to the power 6. So 2 to the power 6 means log of 2 to the power 6. Log of x square to base 2 to the power 6. And this is log of root y to the base 2 to the power 3. And here 3 into log of root y into z to the base 2 to the power 9 is equal to 4. From here, this is x to the power 2 and 6. You know formula log of x to the power y. You can write y into log of x and log of x to the power y to base 3 to the power q is y upon 2 into log of x base y. Okay, these are simple formula which you must be knowing. So here, this is 2 by 6 into log of x base 2. And here, this is 1 upon t log of root y to base 2. And here, this 3 into 1 upon 9 log of 2 base root y into z is equal to 4. So this is 1 upon 3. It is 1 upon 3. And this is 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3 you can take common. So this now log of x base 2. It is also base 2. It is also base 2. So this 1 upon 3 and this is log of x base 2 log of root y base 2 plus log of root y into z to base 2 is equal to 4. So this 1 by 3, 4 is done. And here we can apply the formula log of x into root y into root y into z base 2 and this 3 4 z 12. So we can say this x root y is the y and this z is equal to 2 to the power 12. This is okay. And now this arithmetic mean of x, y, z is greater than the geometric mean of x, y, z. So here we can use this x into y into z is equal to 2 to the power 12. So, arithmetic mean of x plus y plus z will be x plus y plus z by 3. And this is geometric mean will be x to y into z to the power 1 by 3. And now x into y into z is given 2 to the power 12. So this value you can put here 2 to the power 12 into 1 by 3. And here this is x plus y plus z by 3. So this is 2 to the power 12 into 1 by 3 means 2 to the power 4 and multiply both sides by 3. So this is x plus y plus z greater than or equal to 48. So this way you can decide the minimum value of x plus y plus z will be equal to 48. So minimum value of x plus y plus z will be 48. This is our answer. Next question is the sum of the digits of the number 625 to whole power 65 into 128 to the whole power 36. Sum of the digit of the number. Look here, if we factor this, then it is 5 to the power 4 to the power 65. And this is 128 is 2 to the power 7 into 36. So this is going to 5 to the power 4 into 65, 4 into 60, 240 and 4, 5 get 20. So 240, 20, it is 260. And this is 2 to the power 7, 6 is 42, 7, 3 is 21 and 4, 2, 5, 2. So look here, means prime factorization of 625 to the power 65 into 128 to the power 36 is only having here two prime factors 5 and 2. Okay, so it means you can, it is 2 to the power 60, it is 252. So we can write 2 into 5 to the power 252 and it is a 260. So remaining 5 is 5 to the power 8. 2 5 jet 10, 10 to the power 252 means the product of 625 to the power 65 into 128 to the power 36 will have some trailing zeros. And these trailing zeros will be equal to 252. And then these numbers x, y, w, z like this. So this is 5 to the power 8 means 5 to the power 4 is 625. So 625 into 625 into 10 to the power 252. So 625 into 625, multiply it. This is 625. You can take the support of calculator. So 5 5 j 25, 5 2 j 10 plus 2 12, 5 6 j 31. Okay, then 2 it is a 1 2 5 0 and then 6 5 j 30, 6 2 j 12 plus 3 15, 6 j 36 plus 1 37, 5 2 6, 5 2 7 3 10, 7 1 8 plus 1 9. It means this is going to be 3 9 0 6 2 5 and 0 0 0 0. Okay. So question is about the sum of the digits. The product of the number is this is the sum of the digits will be 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5 and sum of the zero, all 0 equal to 0. This is 3 plus 9 12 plus 6 18 plus 2 20 plus 5 25. So answer is 25. So now the question is the number of divisor of 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 2, which are of the form of a 3r plus 1, where r is a non-negative integers. Okay, r is a non-negative integer, means value of r may be 0 or plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, like this. Okay. So let us first understand what is this question. Actually, in this question, this is a number. So divisor of this number, suppose I take 2 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 2 is a divisor of this number, and 2 to the power 2, which is actually equal to 4, can be written as a 3 into 1 plus 1. It is in a form of 3r plus 1. So such a type of all the divisor of this number, which can be written in the form of a 3r plus 1, are a demand of this questions. Okay, so such type of the total number of divisors of this number is an answer. Okay, like 4, or you can take 64. If you divide it by 3, remainder will be 1. 5, 25. If you divide it by 3, remainder will be 1. Or it can be written as 3r plus 1. 3 number can be written as in a form of a 3r plus 1, means if that number, means that divisor is on being divided by 3, will leave remainder 1. So this is all about the demand of this question. Now here, one point which is important, only the divisor may be in the power of a 2, means 0 to 6. Any power which can be written as a form of a 3r plus 1, or 5 to the power 0 to 3, or 7 to the power 0 to 2. 3 will not be any divisors, because 3 is already divisible by 3. Okay, so that is why I'm not taking this number. So 2 to the power, or 5 to the power, 2 to the power 0 to 6, 5 to the power 0 to 3, 7 to the power 0 to 2. Here we will check which are the dBs, which are on being divided by 3, giving remainder 1. Now here the combination is also possible. Means combination of 2 and 5. Uh, the 2 and 5 means the power of 10, or it can be 2 and 7, or it can be 5 and 7, or it can be 2, 5 and 7 all together. So there are various possible combinations: alone 2, 5, 7, or pair of 2, 5, 2, 7, or 5, 7, or 2, 5, and 7 all are together. So here, such type of uh, combinations are possible in these questions. So the main task is to decide the total number of such divisor of this numbers, which can be written in a form of a 3r plus 1. So now, as we know that 3 is not going to play any role, not going to play any role. So let 2 to the power 6. See the behavior of 2. If it is 2 to the power 0, then it can be written in a form of a 3r plus 1. Okay, 2 to the power 0 is 1. 2 to the power 0 is 1. So we can write it 3r is 0 plus 1. Okay, 2 to the power 2 means 2 to the power 2 is actually 4. It can be written in a 3 into 1 plus 1. So 2 to the power 0 or 2 or power 4 or 6, all these divisors can be written in the form of a 3r plus 1, means all these divisors will give you remainder plus 1. But if 2 to the power 1 or power 3 or power 5, then these divisors will give remainder minus 1, not plus 1. Like 2 to the power 1 is a 2. So by dividing by 3, remainder will be minus 1. 2 to the power 3 means 8. By dividing 3 will give remainder minus 1. So means 2 or 8. This cannot be written in a form of a 3r plus 1. It will be written, it can be written as in a form of a 3r minus 1. Okay, so this is clear. And 5 here, 5 to the power 0 and 5 to the power 2, when written in a 3r plus 1, then plus 1 is a remainder. But when 5 to the power 1 or 5 to the power 3, then remainder will be minus 1. Okay. And then take the 7. 7 to the power, whether it is a 0 or 1 or 2, any of the divisors, when dividing by 3, leave remainder plus 1. So here is only one case, means in all cases of any power, whether it is a 0 or a 1 or a 2, like a 7 or 49. 7 to the power 1 is 7, 7 to the power 2 is 49, or 7 to the power 0 is 1. All these numbers can be written in the form of a 3r plus 1. So now, the possible cases. How will you count the possible cases? So actually any divisor when divided by 3 leaves remainder 1. So like here 2, 5 and 7. And here our 0 to 6, 0 to 3 and 0 to 2. Okay, so there are two possible cases. Like in case 1, 2 to the power 0, 2 means these are four cases where it is giving remainder plus 1. Okay, I'm writing it directly. If any of the four cases, well, 2 is giving remainder plus 1. And 5, suppose here I'm taking also the plus 1 remainder. And in case of 7, always we get remainder plus 1. So plus 1 into plus 1 into plus 1 will be plus 1 remainder. Okay. So this is one possible case. And in second case, if I take this minus 1 and this minus 1 and this is plus 1, this minus 1 means 2 to the power 1 or a 3 or 5, such type of the divisor will give remainder minus 1. And 5 to the power 1 or a 3 will give remainder minus 1. And 7 to the power 0 or 1 or 2 always remainder plus 1. So minus into minus plus into plus is equal to plus 1. So here these are two possible cases. Other case is not a desirable case, like here if I take plus 1 and this is minus 1, it is always plus 1. So uh, plus 1 into minus 1 plus into minus 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 into plus minus. So this is minus 1. So it is not a desirable case because the number should be in a form of a 3r plus 1. So this is not a possible. And similarly, minus 1 into plus 1 and this plus 1 is also minus 1. So this case is not possible. So only the two possible cases. In one case, when both are giving remainder plus 1 and 7 is giving remainder plus 1 in all cases, and or in other case when 2 is giving you the remainder minus 1 and it is minus 1, it is plus 1. So these two cases, okay, these are two cases. So now it is easy to find out for case 1. Plus 1 we can find by the four way: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, into this plus 1. So 5 to the power 0 or 2 means there are two cases to get plus 1. Two cases into plus 1 means 7 to the power, whether it's a 0 or 1 or a 2, there are three cases. So for case 1, the total number of cases of 4 to the 8 3 is 24, means 24 ways. There are 24 ways to get remainder plus 1 when 2 to the power is giving you plus 1 remainder and 5 to the power is giving you plus 1 remainder and 7 to the power remains. For case 2, minus 1. So here 2, this minus 1 we can get from 2 to the power 1 or 3 or 5 means 3 way. And this minus 1 means 5 to the power 1 or 3 means 2 way. These are 1, 2 way. And 7 to the power 0 or 1 or 2, whatever, which is plus 1. This, it is 3. So it is coming 3 to the 6, 3 is 18. 18 ways. So 24 ways of case 1 means 24 devices in case 1 we can get. And 18 ways for case 2 means there are 18 divisors which will give you the remainder plus 1. So the total number of divisors are 24 plus 18 is equal to 42. It is our answer. So this is a complete detailed solution of this questions. Means you can understand each and every bit of this question. And it is a very good question. Now, next question. If 9 to the power x square plus 2x minus 3 minus 4 into 3 to the power x square plus 2x minus 2, 2x minus 2 plus 27 is equal to 0, then product of the all possible value of x. Okay, here 9 to the power x square plus 2x minus 3, and here is given 3 to the power x square plus 2x minus. So, okay, let x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to y. Then this is 9 to the power y minus 4 into 3 to the power. This is x square plus 2x minus 3. It is x square plus 2x minus 2. So it is y plus 1. If I add plus 1 here and minus 1 here, then it becomes y plus 1. So this is minus 4 into 3 into y plus 1 plus 27 equal to 0. And now it is 9 to the power y minus 4 into 3 to the power y into 3 plus 27 equal to 0. So this is 9 to the power y, it is 3 to the power y. Again, if I take 3 to the power y is equal to z. Let 3 to the power y is equal to z. Then this 9 to the power y, we can write 3 to the power y is square minus 4, 3z 12, 3 to the power y plus 27. So finally it is z square minus 12z plus 27 equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. So here it is z square minus 9z minus 3z plus 27 is equal to 0. Simple way of factorization. Z minus 9 minus 3 z minus 9. So z is going to equal 9 and z is equal to 0. So two value of z, one is 9 and one is 3. Now Take one of the value of z, 9. So here it is 3 to the power y. So now 3 to the power y is equal to 9. Z is equal to 9. So this is 3 to the power y, and 3 to the power 2 means y is equal to 2. And for z is equal to 3, this for z is equal to 9, and for z is equal to 3, this will be 3 to the power y is equal to 3, so y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 2, we will have this x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 2. And here y is equal to 1, x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 1. So from this, suppose this is equation number 1, it is equation number 2. So from equation number 1, from equation 1 we can say x square plus 2x minus 3 is actually equal to x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. And here, this is going to be x squared plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. And the question is product of all possible value of x. So in this equations, the product of the root alpha into beta is c upon a, c is minus 5. So here the product of root is going to be minus 5. And for this equation number 2, product of the root is minus 4. So overall, the product of all the roots of the equation of this equations will be equal to overall. It is minus 5 into minus 4. This minus 5 and this minus 4 will equal to 20. So product of all possible value will equal to 20. This is our answer. Next question is the average number of copies of a book sold per day by shopkeepers is 60 in the initial 7 days and 63 in the initial 8 days after the book launch. On the ninth day, C sells 11 copies less than the eighth day, and the average number of copies sold per day from second day to ninth day to become 66. The number of copies sold on first day of the book launches. Here, from day 1 to day 7, average is given 60. And from day 1 to day 8, per day copy selling average is given 63. On the ninth day, C sells 11 copies less than the eighth day. So ninth day's copy sold is 11 copy less than eighth day selling. So eighth day's copy selling minus 11 is equal to the total number of copies sold on the ninth day. And then it is given average number of copies sold per day from second day to ninth day. From second day to ninth day, the average copy sold is 66. Then find the number of copies sold on the first day. Means day one, number of copies sold. This is our question. So look here. From first day to seventh day, the total number of average copy sold is 60. So total copy we can find out. And ninth day number of the copies sold is actually 11 less than the number of uh, copies sold on the eighth day. So here the total number of copy first we calculate on eighth day, correct? आठवें दिन कितनी कॉपी सोल्ड हुई? So copy sold on eighth day will equal to the total copy sold on 8 days. Uh, Average from beginning to the 8 days is 63. So 8 into 63 minus total copy sold in first 7 days, 7 into 60. So this way, 8 days copy sold is 8 into 63, 8 3 is 24, 8 6 is 48 plus 2, 50 minus 420. This is equal to 84. So 8th day, 84 copies sold. And now ninth day copy sold is 84 minus 11 is 73. Okay. Now day 2, second day to ninth day, the total number of copies sold average is given 66. So here the total copy sold from day 2 to day 9 is 8 into 66. Day 2 to day 9, the total number of days 8 and the average is 66. So the total copy sold 8 into 66. So this is 8 6 48, 8 6 48 plus 4 5 to 8. Okay. Now the D1, day 1, the total number of copies sold. So look here. Now it is a very simple question. Day 1 will be, suppose, number of copies sold on D1 days. D1 plus second day to the ninth day, total number of copies sold 520. And this will be equal to 8 into 63. First 8 days, average is given 63. So the total number of copy 8 into 63 plus ninth day. Ninth day's copy sold 73. And after this, we can find the value of D1. So here it is 8 into 3, 8 3 is 24, 8 6 is 48, 48 plus 2, 504 plus 73 and minus 5 to 8. So this is 577 minus 528 going to be 49. So this is the number of copies sold on the first day. This is our answer. Next question is, suppose A, B, C are three distinct natural numbers such that 3AC is equal to 8A plus B, then the smallest possible value of 3A plus 2B plus C. Here, smallest possible value of 3A plus 2B plus C. This is to be found out. Okay, 3A plus 2B plus C is smallest value, and A is a multiple of 3. A is a multiple of a 3. Here, point is to be noted that A, B, C all are natural numbers. So it indicates that the value of A must be the smallest possible natural numbers. Okay, A should also be a smallest possible natural number. How will we get the value of A? Now the relation is given here. CA C is equal to 8A plus B, where A, B, C are all are natural numbers. See, 3AC is equal to 8A plus B. It suggests that left hand side is a multiple of 3 and right hand side is a multiple of A. So it is very easy to decide that AC must be a multiple of 8. Multiple of 8. And therefore A plus B must be a multiple of 3. Okay? Because then only we can balance this equality. Okay, so this is a clue for working here the value of A, B, and C. Okay, so let us take AC, the smallest possible value of A is required, and from here, from this relations here we are reaching to the conclusion that AC must be multiple of 8. So since A is required as smallest possible value, so let us take the first multiple of AC. So first multiple of AC must be 8. Okay. So AC is 8. Suppose let AC is 8. I think it is clear. AC is a multiple of 8. So further it can be go 8 into 8, 16, 24, 32, whatever, whatever. Since the smallest value of A is required, that is why I am taking the first multiple of 8 for AC. Okay, let AC is equal to 8. A into C both are natural number. Okay, so let us take the factor of 8 is 1 into 8 or 2 into 4. Okay, either this or this. These are the two possible factor of 8 in natural numbers. So in case 1, let us take A is 1 and C is 8. A is 1, C is 8. Then from this relation 3, AC is 1 into 8 is equal to 8. A is 1, then B will be 2. Okay. So A is 1, C is 8, B is 2. In case 1, when A is 1, C is taken 8. Okay, so the value of 3A plus 2B plus C. So 3 into A means 3 plus 2 into B, B is 2 plus C, C is 8. So this is equal to 3, 2 to the 4, 3, 4, 7, 7, 8, 15. Okay. And in case 2, let us take A is equal to 2. Okay. AC is 8. Factor of another factor of 8 is 2 into 4. So let us take A is equal to 2. A is 2 and C is 4. And now here in this formula, 3, 2, 4 is equal to 8, A is 2, and now B. So this is 4 to 8 cancel, and 3 is equal to 2 plus B, so B is going to be 1. And now 3, now the smallest possible value is 3 into A is 2 plus 2B. B is 1 and C is 4. Now 3 to just 6, 2 1 just 2 plus 4, 6 to 8 plus 4, 12. This time, the value of 3A plus 2B plus C is equal to 4. So 12 is smaller than 15. So its smallest possible value is 12. So answer is 12. It is answer. Now the next question. A mixture of coffee and cocoa, 16% of which is coffee, costs rupee 240 per kg. Another mixture of coffee and cocoa, of which 36% is coffee, costs rupees 320 per kg. If a new mixture of a coffee and cocoa costs rupees 376 per kg, then the quantity in kg of coffee in 10 kg of this new mixture. Okay. So first attempt these questions by the general approach and then another quicker approach. First, take the general approach. It is a mixture. First mixture. Here 16% coffee. 16% coffee. Okay. 16% coffee. The cost of the mixture is 240 rupees per kg. Okay. And in another mixture, the coffee is 36% and the cost is 320 rupees per kg. So here in second mixture, coffee is 36% and in first mixture, it was 16%. In a new mixture, coffee and cocoa, percentage of coffee is not given. Cost of the mixture is given 376 rupees per kg. So such a type of a 10 kg mixture will have the quantity of coffee. This will be our answer. Means third mixture, which cost is 376 rupees per kg. This third mixture is also a mixture of coffee and cocoa. And in this mixture, percentage of coffee is not given as in previous first and second mixture. The percentage of coffee as well as the rate of the mixture is given. So in these two previous cases, percentage of the coffee and the price of the mixture is given. Cost of the mixture is given. Price means cost. So in a third mixture where the cost of the mixture is given, percentage of cocoa, percentage of coffee and cocoa, nothing is mentioned here. So in such a 10 kg mixture, what is the quantity of the coffee? This is our question. Okay. So look here. Suppose cost of coffee is X rupees per gram. Per gram. And cost of cocoa is Y rupees per gram. First, I'm telling you the general approach of solving this question. Then we will see the quicker approach. So, as per this assumption that X rupees is a per gram cost of a coffee and Y rupees a per gram cost of a cocoa, we would have one equation like 16% coffee in first mixture. So in a 1 kilogram is out of 1000 grams, 16% is 160 gram coffee. Cost is 160x. Remaining 840 grams is cocoa into Y equal to the cost is 240 rupees. And second mixture, 36% coffee means 360 gram coffee into X rupees plus remaining 640 cocoa into Y is equal to 320. So let us solve this and these two equations. So simplify the first one is 0, 0, 0 cancel. And it is a multiple of 4, multiple of 4, multiple of 4. So this equations we can write as a 4 4 ja, 4 2 ja, and 4 1 ja, 4 6 ja. So this is equation number 1. And here this is 0 cancelled. And again 4 8 ja, 4 16 and 4 9 ja. So this is 9x plus 16y plus 8. Now solve these two equations. Okay. So multiply in equation number 1, 9, and in equation number 2 by 4, and then multiply करने के बाद इनको सब्ट्रैक्ट करके किसी एक को एलिमिनेट कर देते हैं. So after solving it we will get, तो मैं इसे सॉल्व नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये आप अपने आप कर लीजिएगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू x will be 72 by 125 and y is coming 22 by 125. So this is x is 72 upon 125 rupees per gram of coffee cost, and y is 22 upon 125 rupees is a per gram cost of cocoa. Okay. Now a new mixture cost is 376 rupees per kg. So 10 kg of new mixture will contain what quantity of coffee? This is to be find out. So let out of 10 kg of new mixture, there is a small a kg. Let in 10 kg mixture of coffee and cocoa का जो 10 kg मिक्सचर है इस पे बात करते हैं. सो इट इज गिवन कि न्यू मिक्सचर कॉस्ट इज गिवन 370 रुपए पर केजी. सो 10 केजी की कॉस्ट हो जाएगी 10 into 376 rupees. And now here, suppose a kg is, let a kg is coffee. So a into 72 125. It is a per gram. So into multiplied by 1000. So this is the value of the a kg coffee of this 10 kg mixture plus remaining 10 minus a kg is coffee. Cost per gram is 22 upon 125 into 100 into 1000. ओके. ये पर ग्राम कॉस्ट थी तो इसको केजी में मैंने कन्वर्ट कर दिया और इसमें ये लेट किया है, लेट ए केजी कॉफी is present in 10 kg coffee. तो A की वैल्यू ही आपका आंसर होगा. So now simplify it. This is 125 8 जा 125 8 जा 8 कॉमन ले लेंगे. सो कॉमन लेके इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो 10 into 376 by 8 is equal to 72a plus 10 minus 8 22. So 8 4 जा and 7 जा 470 हो जाएगा. And this is 470 72a plus 220 minus 22a. This is 72 minus 20, 50a, and 470 minus 220 is 250. So A is 5. Answer is 5 kg. This is a general approach. The answer of this question is 5 kg. Let us take one quicker approach. Quicker approach is in first mixture, coffee is 36%. The cost of the mixture is 240 rupees. Second mixture, the coffee percentage is given earlier in a first, this is 16%. So it is 16%. In second, it is a 36%. And here the cost of the mixture is given 320 rupees per kg. Third mixture, percentage of the coffee is not given. The cost is given 376 rupees per kg. So अगर आपका ये थर्ड टाइप 10 kg मिक्सचर है तो इसमें कॉफी कितने केजी होगी ये क्वेश्चन है आपका. So look here. Here in mixture number 1, the coffee percentage is 16%. In mixture 2, coffee percentage is 36%. Means in second mixture plus 20%, coffee percentage is increased plus 20. And here the value of the mixture is increased by 80 rupees. Okay. Here the value in third mixture is increased by 56 rupees. So here 80 rupees increase, here 56 rupees increase. So here from first mixture to second mixture, the cost increases 80 rupees. And percentage wise, it increased 20%. In second case, the cost increased 56 rupees. So the ratio between increase of the cost in these first to two and second to third mixture is 80 is to 56. So 8 10 yeah, 8 7 yeah. So it should also be 10 is to 7. It is 20%, then it should be 14%. Is right? It is clear. Like here, the increase in the cost of the mixture is plus 80 rupees. Here increases 56. The ratio between the increase is 10 is to 7. So the percentage increase ratio should also be 10 is to 7. So 16 plus 20 is 36. So here 20 is to 14 is the same ratio 10 is to 7. So it should be 36 plus 14. What? It should be 50%. तो ये आपका डायरेक्ट 50% आ गया. इसका मतलब ये जो थर्ड मिक्सचर है इसमें 50% कॉफी होती है तो 10 kg का 50% क्या हो गया 5 kg. This is your final answer and it is a quicker approach. Next question is an item with a cost price of rupees 1650 is sold at a certain discount on a fixed mark price to earn a profit of 20% on the cost price. If discount was doubled, the profit would have been rupee 110. The rate of discount in percentage at which the profit percentage would be equal to the rate of discount is nearest to. Okay, so let the mark price is M. Let mark price M rupees. And here it is given a certain discount. Suppose discount offered is X rupees on mark price. So finally, selling price is M minus X rupees. And this selling price is actually earn a 20% profit on the cost price. So it means this selling price will be equal to the 120% of the cost price. So this equation number M minus X is equal to 12 5 is 0, 60. 12 6 is 72 plus 6 78 and 98. In second case, if the discount was doubled, the profit would have been rupee 110. If the discount is doubled, then it is M minus 2x. And now profit is given in terms of a rupee. So the cost price 1650 plus 110 means it is 1760. So this is equation number 2, M minus 2x. Equation number 2. On equating equation number 1 and 2, we will get value of x 220 and x is 220, then put this value here, then m will be 1980 plus x means plus 220 is 2200 rupees. So now we have value of x and value of m. Now it is given the rate of discount in percentage. Means कि जो मार्क प्राइस है इस मार्क प्राइस पे जितने परसेंट का डिस्काउंट मिला है द रेट ऑफ डिस्काउंट इन परसेंटेज at which the profit percentage would be equal to. Okay, at which the profit percentage would be equal to what? So suppose on the mark price, that on the mark price, profit discount is, let on the mark price, the discount is y%. Then y%, y is a y profit percentage would equal to what rate of the discount. So we can take this like when I'm offering 2200 pay discount Y% car. So selling price is 100 minus Y by 100. And this is going to the 100 uh, plus Y% profit on the cost price 1650. So this is cancelled. And finally, this 2200 by 1650. And this is 100 plus Y over 100 minus Y. This is cancelled. It is 5 3 and 5 3 5 3 5 4 4 3 4. So finally it is 400 minus 4y 300 plus 3y. So this is 7y is equal to 100. So y is 100 by 7%, which 14 point, approx 14 point something percentage. And nearest to answer is third.